Right, you are welcome to this segment of the study on Azadirachta indica, commonly known as Neem plant. It is also locally known here in Akwa Ibom State, Nigeria, as Dokonjaro. So as you can see, you look at it that we have separated the the leaves from the stalk of the the tree, and which our concern here lies on analysis on phytochemicals and medicinal values of the leaves. So we are going to at this point subject this sample into washing. We're going to wash this sample with tap water and then rinse it with distilled water so as to ensure that we have removed all forms of dirt. And thereafter, the sample have to be sliced into tiny particles using kitchen knife and then subject into drying. The sample have to be dried for 3 to 4, 5 days to ensure that the moisture content has been removed. And thereafter, the sample will then be pulverized using what we call mortar and pestle. When this sample is pulverized, that will help in reduction in particle size and increase in surface area. And at the end of the day, the sample will subjected into the analysis of phytochemicals. But before then, this sample will have to be extracted using what we call 70% ethanol, and the sample have to be soaked for 3 days and then filtered. The filtrate then be concentrated using what we call rotary evaporator so as to obtain the crude extract, and then the extract will be used to screen the phytochemicals that are present in this sample. And from the phytochemicals, that will give us first hand information on the bioactive compounds that are present, which will also help us to detect those bacteria and other pathogens that this plant can really treat. Let me also say that from literature, this plant has been revealed that it has a lot of antibacterial properties, antiviral properties, even anti-inflammatory, has been stated clearly by different authors. And in Akwa Ibom State here in Nigeria, we are made to understand that this plant is used by many as enema. People use it as enema, and this is because of bacterial properties. So I want to appreciate you for learning on the medicinal values of neem plant, and also learning how to prepare this sample ahead of our analysis. Thank you.